Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can vertically split your videos into like 3 side-by-side windows. So just select any browser that you use. I use Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to hover my mouse over this button here, and as you can see it'll show me like a lot of these displays. For instance, I want this one or this one, and I want the Google one to be in the middle, so I'm just going to select the middle one. And for the left side, I want to show this YouTube homepage. And for the right side, I want to show this YouTube channel, so I'm just going to select that. You can, again, I guess, change the format here. Again, I'm just going to choose Google. Okay, for the left one then, and then this one for the middle. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can basically split it to like 3 windows. Super simple. You can also use it with like other apps, but if you use CapCut, I do not know why it won't like match into that format. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.